Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shandy and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this simple, versatile eyeshadow look. Now I noticed the Kardashians wear this look a lot because I feel like it goes with, I don't know, I feel like it's just a very, like I said, it's a very versatile look. You can wear it anywhere you want to. It goes with any outfit, any lipstick. It's basically a go-to look in my opinion. I've noticed that it looks really good on people who have dark brown or just brown or hazel eyes. I haven't really seen it on blue eyes, I don't think. I'm sure it looks just as good, but I've noticed that it makes brown eyes really pop and just look sultry, you know? If this is your first time watching, I hope you enjoy this video. Well, I hope everyone enjoys this video, but I hope you join the GLAM fam by hitting the subscribe and the bell button, which are both down below, so you won't miss out on any future videos, and let's get started. First, I'm gonna be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. I'm gonna place that right underneath my brow bone so that the color I put on top of it pops out a bit more. Now, honestly, you can skip the step if you want to, but I notice a huge difference in how my overall look comes out. Honestly, up to you. I don't do this when I'm actually wearing makeup out. I typically only do this for YouTube and for my Instagram pictures because I just noticed that it looks better in pictures overall. So, by the way, I did my brows off camera. If you need help with getting your brows together, I have tons of tutorials, you guys. I have beginner tutorials, ones with pomades, ones with powder, ones with pencil, eyebrow mascara, and I literally just did one on how to tint your eyebrows yourself, so I definitely got you covered when it comes to brows. Now, you only want to apply this concealer on your brow bone because that's the area you want to pop out more. You don't want right underneath your brow to pop because it's not really meant to do that. If you take your finger and feel, you know, right on top of it, you can feel that it goes in and then the brow bone pops out. And after that, you want to take a dual fiber brush and just blend that out. If you mess up on your eyebrows, like you smudge it or something, don't worry about it. Just pick up the same brush you used to do your eyebrows and just fix it. Now, if you don't care about your eyebrows being super precise like I do, I'm obsessed. I don't know what's wrong with me, you guys, but if you don't care about it being super precise, then you can just skip this step. Okay, so next, using a Morphe M124 brush. You can really just use any flat brush if you want to, but this one is one of my favorite for this purpose. I'm just gonna take that first shade in the Morphe Second Nature palette, and I'm gonna tap that right onto that concealer to set it. I might apply one that's a bit brighter as well. I'm gonna pick up my Morphe 350 matte palette. There we go. I feel like I should just mix those two colors. And then you just want to blend out the bottom area. I really like this kind of look because I feel like you can just wear it anywhere. You can wear it to school, you can wear it to work, you can wear it to business meetings, you can wear it to the club, you can wear it to brunch, you can even wear it to the gym if you want to, because who's going to stop you? I just feel like it's a very versatile look, you know? I like versatility. I like looks that you can just wear with anything. It's probably why I do nude nails so often. This kind of looks like a nude beige color, but yeah, I just like things that go with everything. Using that same brush, you want to pick up a color that is a bit deeper than your skin tone. This is the one that I'm going to be using. Yeah, it's kind of deeper and it has kind of a reddish tint, so pick up a burnt sienna type of shade or a rusty type of shade. You don't have to use a rusty shade. You can honestly use, let me see. You can use a color like that as well, but I tend to stick with those. And what you want to do for that is start blending in a back and forth motion, a windshield wiper motion, way above your crease. So my crease is right here. I'm going to try to bring that color a bit up here. You guys, I'm having a dilemma. Like, for my YouTube and Instagram, I do have fun doing colorful looks, but to be honest, I don't really wear those out often. And I have more fun doing looks like these and adding a pop of color as opposed to just, you know, putting color all over my eye. But I feel like that whole colorful eyeshadow thing is what everyone wants to see, so, and I do it just because I know everyone wants to see it, but I really don't, I don't want to say I don't like to do it, I just prefer to do these kind of looks. So I'm like debating on whether or not I should just turn my whole YouTube and my Instagram aesthetic into like a wearable type of aesthetic. Maybe like a natural glam with a pop of color, because that's what I'm about, so I'm thinking about just doing only the, well, not only those looks, I'm thinking about doing most of my looks like that and just having my colorful cut creases here and there. Because I just want to do looks that people can actually wear, you know? I feel like people watch these colorful cut crease videos and it's like, it's just entertainment and they don't really get anything from it after that. It's just like, oh, that was cool to watch, but where can people really wear that to? And like, do they even have time to learn how to do that if they don't know how to already? Like, I want people to watch my channel and be like, oh, that's a cute look, I can wear that to work or something. Or that's a cute look, I can wear that on a date. Or I can wear that to brunch. And the looks I have up are just like, oh wow, that's cool, next. I don't know. I guess I just felt like I kind of had to prove my skill to people, but it's like, what is that gonna do? People aren't getting anything from seeing me set my eyelids on fire, quote unquote. They're not getting anything from it, and that was the whole point of why I wanted to start YouTube in the first place. So maybe I should ask you guys, what do you guys like to see? Or do you find that the whole wearable looks type of videos is more helpful? Like, what do you guys think? Tell me what to do. What should I do? Next, I'm just going to apply that same shade underneath my eyelid using a bullet brush. This is the Morphe 321. I think my issue is I don't want to feel like I'm in a box. Like, if I go to this whole natural or wearable looks thing, can I still do my super bright purple eyeshadows? Like, those are still fun to do every now and then, but I just don't want to stick to one thing. Now for this shade, you just want to stop where you see your eyes start to crease. So for me, that would be right here. And the lower you bring it past that, the more dramatic your look is going to be. So if you want your look to be dramatic, go ahead, girl. But if you just want it to be a simple look, you should probably stop where your eye creases. Or if you want it to be super, super simple, then you should probably stop halfway. Next, I'm gonna apply BD Bakery's Tan Ice Cream on my lid. You guys can skip this step if you want to. This is just gonna intensify the brown I'm gonna put on there, but you honestly don't have to do it. And there's no reason for this exact shade. I just wanted to apply a color that's darker than, you know, my lid. After that, you want to take that same Morphe 321 bullet brush and you want to pick a shade that's a tiny bit darker than the one that you applied first. I'm probably going to choose this color. You just want to place that all over your lid. And you want to blend that a little above your crease. I feel like the Kardashians always do a slight variation of this kind of eye. So sometimes they might put a little gold right here, but it's still never too bright, you know? And sometimes they'll do a wing liner, and sometimes they'll do a smoky liner, but overall I feel like this is the base of their look. Now I will say, if you don't have your makeup done prior to applying this eyeshadow, it's gonna look like you have a black eye at first. Please ignore that. It looks super crazy if you don't have on foundation beforehand. I mean, it looks crazy now, but it looks ridiculous if you don't have on face makeup already. If you end up not liking it at all, you can just plop a gold right in the center, a gold shadow. You just want to make sure this color is seen a tiny bit above your crease, so you can start blending it out about right here. I'm gonna take that same bullet brush. I'm gonna apply that same deeper brown shade about, I actually can't give a measurement, so halfway above where you applied that last color. If you want your look to be really wearable, like office friendly, you don't have to blend that deeper shade above your crease as much. As you can see, this side looks less dramatic because I have not applied the color as far up yet. So you want to pick up a small brush like this. This is a Morphe B16. You want to pick up that same shade and you want to line right underneath your waterline. Next, using one of my favorite eyeliner pens, this is the NYX That's the Point pen in Hella Fine. You're just going to tilt your head back and draw a really fine line right above your lash. This definitely takes some practice. I could not get my lines this thin until I practiced and started like holding my breath. If you hold your breath, it's going to be much easier. And what this is going to do is it's just going to add a little base for your lashes if you want to add lashes. And I just find that my eyes personally look better with a tiny bit of eyeliner. I think you guys can see the difference. Definitely like this side much more. If you mess up, don't worry, it's not a huge deal anyways because you're going to be placing a dark brown on top of that. Or if you want, you can just do a cat eye, so it's not a huge deal if you mess up. Okay, those lines are definitely crooked, but whatever. So next, oh, look at my hand. Next, we want to pick up a dark brown like that. This is from the same Morphe Second Nature palette. You just want to place that right on top of that line. You kind of want to blend it out as well. I'm also going to be taking a single shadow by NYX called Stripped. It's a matte black, and I'm going to place that on top of my lash line. Now you don't have to go this far when it comes to doing this look. You can honestly just pop on cat eye or top liner or mascara or lashes. But since I'm replicating a certain look, I'm just gonna do this step for you guys on camera. And what this is doing is it's creating a gradient effect as far as eyeliner so that it's not very noticeable and it's just very, you know, subtle. It's like a blown out eyeliner. Next, you want to grab a pencil that's a few shades lighter than your skin tone. I'm going to be using the NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade Deep. These are actually really cheap. I got them for $3 each. I think they have 3 shades. I think they have 1, 2, and 3. I have number 3, which is Deep. Just want to line your waterline with a light pencil. If you have any ounce of color in your skin, like I do, do not use white. Definitely go with the nude because the white is just like, I don't know, it's just too noticeable, you know? But if you have fair skin, white might work for you. And this is the difference in case you were wondering what it looked like. After that, taking an eyeliner, I'm going to use the same NYX That's the Point eye pen. You just want to dot tiny dots in between your lash line. What this is going to do is pump up your lash line when you add mascara. Just makes your lashes look much thicker if you're skimping the lash department like I am. As far as lashes, I'm going to be using the Benefit Tinted Lash Primer first. I really like these little mini mascaras. I get them by using my Sephora points whenever I order online. I just feel like it's much easier to handle, you know, like the small little top. And then I'm just going to follow up with Urban Decay's Perversion Mascara. If you have long lower lashes, unlike me, this look is just going to look super bomb on you. Because I feel like what really ties it together is lower lashes, and yeah. Next, what you want to do is grab a highlighter. I'm going to be using my favorite natural highlighter. It's called Lumiere Divine by YSL. You're going to put that in your inner corner. As far as lashes, make sure you don't apply dramatic lashes or else you just end up with a dramatic look. But if that's what you're going for, girl, go ahead. For this look, you really want to stick with thin and long lashes. If you already have long lashes or, you know, lashes to begin with, you can honestly just use a mascara and a lash curler. But since I don't have any, like I said before, I'm going to be using my favorite pair. They're really thin and long. And that is basically it, my friends. It's so easy. There's so many variations of this look you can do. Just gonna change my lip color to a nude for a true Kim K type of look. Here is what it looks like. If you have any suggestions on what type of videos you'd like me to do, please let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know where you could see yourself wearing this look. I'm gonna leave a few more videos for you guys to watch towards the end of this one, so make sure you look out for that, and I'll see you in my next video.